Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to lead you through a grounding exercise that you can do anytime, morning, night, whenever you need it. But before I guide you through this practice, I'm actually going to teach you what it means to be grounded so that you have an understanding in yourself and your body, and you will know what you're actually supposed to be doing. Because I think it's really important that we have information and background knowledge in our brain, because this is what helps actualize and turn knowledge into experience and wisdom. You got to alchemize the knowledge. So I want you to know what you're actually doing and not just do it. So what is grounding? It starts in the Muladhara chakra, which is the root chakra, which is the first one at the base of the spine between the anus and the genitals is where our root chakra sits. And this is the chakra that is responsible for us feeling safe, grounded, at home. It's the chakra that holds our means of survival. So when someone says, I'm not feeling grounded, it really means I'm not feeling entirely safe in the present moment. I'm not feeling entirely safe in my body. So what you're seeking when you are wanting to ground is safety. It is a gathering of all of you into your physical vessel. Not only do we want to feel safe in our bodies, but we want to feel safe on earth because we are here. A lot of times when people are not feeling grounded, it's because energetically they're elsewhere. They're thinking in the past, they're thinking in the future, they're somewhere in the ether. We want to be here in the present in our home. Our home is our body. Our home is also this planet Earth. And when you understand that no matter what, I am safe in my body. No matter what, I am safe on planet Earth. When you have that deep understanding, it eliminates a lot of anxiety, a lot of discomfort in random environments, a lot of discomfort just living in your body in your day-to-day life. Energetically in our bodies, we have one cord that goes through us. So there's a cord that comes out of the crown, and it is shifting down, and there's a cord that goes down out of you into the earth. And we're going to connect with this cord. I call it the grounding cord exercise, meditation practice, whatever. We're going to connect with this cord, and we're also going to find home in ourselves. We're going to learn how to bring in scattered energy. Okay? All right, you ready to go? Let's get started. The exercise we're doing today will be standing. So find a place to stand. Could be anywhere. You don't need any space or room to move. We will simply be standing. And when you're ready, we'll close the eyes, take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Roll up on the balls of the feet, and shift back all of the weight in your heels, lifting the toes up gently, and roll back onto the balls of the feet, lifting up so slightly. And release back down, all of your weight equally divided between your 2 feet. Maybe wiggling the toes here, noticing the texture underneath you, feeling the texture of the surface that you are standing on. Noticing how it feels to the skin of your feet. And slowly finding stillness here. We're standing tall. Spine is straight, shoulders are back and down, palms are by our sides facing the body. We're lifting up through the crown, through the top of the head is lifting into the sky, and our feet are grounded and stable on the surface we're standing on. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and sighing out through the mouth, releasing on your exhale. Inhale, filling up the lungs, the chest, and the belly. And sigh it out, release. Another deep breath in and sighing it out. Let's bring the awareness to the bottoms of the feet. Our feet are still, stable, and holding us upright. And from the bottoms of your feet, imagine roots growing out into the earth. Strong, thick roots growing down deep into the earth, connecting your physical body with the planet you live on. We are grounded and secure here. We are stable and we are safe. And I want you to repeat these 3 statements after me. I am grounded and safe in my body. This body is my home, and I love my home. I am at home and at peace on this planet Earth. Allow yourself to soak in the words you've just repeated. Soak in the truth that you are at home and at peace in your body. Your body is a safe space for you to reside within. This earth is a safe space for you to live on. Bringing the awareness back to the roots growing from underneath your feet and into the earth. On your inhale, we're drawing energy up out of the earth through those roots. Breathing in from the bottoms of the feet, lifting the breath through the legs, through the pelvis, through the stomach, through the chest, and into the crown. We're breathing in the energy of the earth. And exhaling it out. Allowing this to energize you, to ground you, to connect you. Breathing in through your roots. Lifting the energy into the body and exhaling it out through the mouth. And continue a few rounds of this at your own pace. And whenever you're ready, let's bring one palm over the chest and another resting right on top. Breathing into the chest, feeling the rise on the inhale and the fall on the exhale. Remind yourself, I am here in the present moment. I am home in my body. I am safe in my body. I am safe on earth. And whenever you're ready, let's bring the palms together, rubbing the palms together, creating chi and prana. And bring the palms to the closed eyes, breathing in the warmth from the hands. And release on an exhale, drawing the palms down and having a big smile on your face. Take a moment to check in with how you feel. Journal if you need to. Come back to this as many times as you need it. You can try variations of this practice on your own. The idea is that we're grounding from the feet or even grounding from the tailbone. Feel free to repeat the affirmations that we used in this practice to yourself anytime you need them. You can also bring your energy back anytime that you need it. Anything we did in this practice can be utilized at any point in your day, whenever you need it. Come back to this however many times you want. Take care, and I hope this helped. See you soon.